Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to physics class of class 6 day 1. Okay, we have finished already how many units? 3 units. Okay, let us start with the 4th unit. What is the 4th unit? Light. This is which topic? Physics or chemistry? Physics. Okay, so what do you know about light?
It shows us the way.
It shows us the way.
It
Due to light we are seeing other objects, right? Yes or no? Due to just because of light we are able to see the other objects. Are we seeing with our eyes? Our eyes are helping to see the objects or light is helping to see the objects? Light. Mainly light. Okay, light rays falls on the object. That reflected ray falls on our eye. Then we can see the objects. Okay. So here, these are some of the topics we are going to learn. Luminous object, non-luminous object, optical medium, homogeneous medium, heterogeneous medium, point source of light, extended source of light, transparent objects, translucent object, opaque object. Do you know this? With the lesson systems, transparent, translucent, opaque. Okay. So here first, what are luminous objects? The objects which use light by itself. Okay. The objects which use light by itself is called as luminous object, which glows, which spreads the light energy. Example is sun. Sun uses sunlight.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Moon uses light.
No, it reflects.
Yes. Moon does not give light. Why? Because it just reflects the sun's rays. That means it reflects the sun ray. That's why we are getting the moonlight. Okay. So moonlight is a reflected of the sun rays, whereas sunlight is a homogeneous rays. We are getting the homogeneous object, sunlight. Okay. Next, luminous objects. More example: candle, electric bulbs. Okay. Fire is also giving a light. So there you can see it is luminous objects which uses the light. Tube. Non-luminous objects means what? Which does not give any light, but reflects. Or we can see that object when light falls on it. Okay. Luminous object does not give any light, but we can see them when light falls on them. Okay. Example is chalk piece, moon. Even ourselves also, do we produce any light?
No.
But we are able to see when light falls on us. Okay. Here, luminous objects means which give light by themselves. Non-luminous which does not give light by themselves. Okay. Next, optical media. Optical media. We have different mediums: solids, liquids, gases. Optical media means what here?
Rays.
What rays? No.
Sun rays.
The place where the light can pass. Okay. Does the light pass here in this room?
Yes.
So this is said to be as what is surrounded around us? Air. Air is surrounded around us. So air is considered as a optical medium. Yes. Which allows the light rays. Which allows the light to travel. It is called as optical medium. Wood is an optical medium? Wood.
No.
If you keep a torch back to the door, can you see the light front? Why? Because it is not an optical medium. Whereas you can take a glass, do you know glass, slab or glass, keep light on that. Can you see the rays? That means glass is a optical medium which passes the light. Understood what is optical medium? The medium where light passes through it. The medium which allows the light to pass through it is called as optical medium. Next, homogeneous medium. Homogeneous, heterogeneous, both come under optical medium. That means from these two objects we can see the light. From these two objects light can pass through them. Then what is homogeneous? What is heterogeneous? Did you get anything here? Any words? Did you listen here? Homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you come across? What is homogeneous meaning means what? Which remains same.
Yeah.
Hetero means it does not remain same. It does not remain same. It will be changed. Here, when coming across to light, homogeneous medium means see air is surrounded by us. If we pass the light here, it goes into form of rays. It is spread evenly. Okay. So this air is considered as the homogeneous medium. Even in the water also, if you put the light, it just travels in the water. So it is also called as a homogeneous mixture. But if you take a glass of different shape, designed glasses. If you send light to them, can you see the light completely?
No.
Some area will be light, some area will be dark.
Yeah.
In some area light will be passed more, in some areas light will be passed less. For windows we have no, our windows, our school windows are just plain. So they are the complete homogeneous picture. Why? Because all the rays are will be passing evenly. Whereas designed glasses which have some design in the glasses where light cannot pass equally, that media is called as heterogeneous media. Clear? Next, point source of light. What is point source of light?
Where the light is
Point source of light. The light produced from a point source, from a single point. If you get the light rays, then it is called as point source of light. For example, if you take a candle, you will get a point source of light or so much of light. You will get only little light, no? Exact point you will get the light. That type of is called as point source of light. For example, take a torch light. Take a black paper. Keep a hole in that and cover the torch with the black paper. What you will see then? A ray of light will be coming from the torch light. And best example, do you have that what we say? Red color light will be playing with them, no? LED lights. Laser lights. How it will be?
Yeah.
Only very small dot, no? That type of lights are called as point source of light. Understood? For example, even electric bulb also, if it is small electric bulb, we will get only the light around that bulb only. Clear? That type of examples are called as point source of light. Understood what is point source of light? Only from a single point where the light comes out. Extended source of light means what?
Where the source is
Very big. For example, tube light. If you hold, how will you get the light to the tube light? Only from point or extended source? Extended source. From starting to ending, from this place to this place, you will get the light. Even when we are burning the group of sticks or log of sticks, also we will get lot of light. That is called as what? Extended source of light. Sun. Understood? Now did you understand point source of light, extended source of light?
Yes.
Once again. Luminous objects which use light by themselves. Non-luminous. Which does not have any light by themselves but
Reflect.
can see the
Objects are there.
objects. Optical media. Optical medium.
That can pass through.
That can pass
All
The
through.
light
Pass
which
through.
it can pass. The medium where light can pass through it. Optical media, homogeneous medium, which is equally. Okay. Where the light passes equally. Heterogeneous, different. The numbers will be different. Point source of light. Only one point source, single. Okay, not so much. Only little source of light. Extended source of light. Tube lights. Big
Large
amount of light. Now, what is transparent object? Transparent objects, opaque objects.
Transparent objects are
The objects which pass light to pass through them are called as transparent. Opaque means the objects which does not allow light to pass through them. Example is wood or iron or steel. Any metal. Next, translucent. The objects which allows the light to pass through them, not partially. Okay, it allows to pass them partially. Just as heterogeneous medium. Okay. Next, homogeneous comes under transparent. Heterogeneous comes under translucent. Understood now? Homogeneous, heterogeneous, transparent, translucent, opaque.